Hi there, this is Moses Jingu presenting to you Project Wiki from CS50's web programming with Python and JavaScript. Well, the specification in Wiki uh, requires us to visit wiki/title, an entry page, where title is the title of an encyclopedia entry and should render a page that displays the contents of that encyclopedia entry. So if we visit, for example, let's say /wiki/git, we can access that page directly, and then the specification further says the view should get the content of the encyclopedia entry by calling the appropriate util function. So we've got the content of our page, our GIT page, and if it doesn't exist, if the entry doesn't exist, we are given an alert that the page or the entry named whatever doesn't exist. So we go back to our index page where we are able to see all the available pages, and by clicking on any of them we are also able to see the content, to access the content of that page. And of course we can use the search bar to insert a query such as CSS, and we can access that from there as well. And if, for example, we just happen to enter a substring, let's say with Y, then we'll get a list of possible results search from the pages that we have by title. So we've got biology and Python returned after entering the search pattern using letter Y, and after here we are also able to click on any of these return results and access the information thereof. So we're also able to create a new page. Let's call it Wiki. Fetch some markdown content, then save. And there you go. We're able to save our page and details as well, just like that, as per specifications. And then up above, we're also able to use the random page option, where the application will be able to fetch any random page from the available entries that we have. So I think that's it, and that was Project Wiki. This is CS50 web programming with Python and JavaScript. Thank you.